Good morning, children. Let us continue our study of this particular poem, Victory in Friendship. So, we have studied all three stanzas. Today, we will study the fourth stanza, page number 72. Victory in Friendship. So, in the previous class, I told you that how this particular crab and the rock are unmoved by the force of the wave. They are attached to each other and they are still over that particular place. Today, last stanza. The love that bound the rock and crab. See, there is a deep love, a deep bond or love, a relationship. See, there is a deep relationship between the rock and the crab. See, the love that bound the rock and the crab challenged the ocean's might, challenged challenge here meaning is it fought, it fought. See, how did they fight? The love that bound the rock and crab challenged the ocean's might. See, this particular love of this crab and rock challenged the ocean's might. Might here is power, strength, power. This both the crab and the rock challenged this ocean. The ocean tried very hard to take them away inside the ocean, but it couldn't succeed. It could not succeed. Challenge the ocean's might. It they were there. This particular crab and rock. The ocean also tried its level best, but it could not succeed. Once again, the love that bound the rock and the crab challenged the ocean's might. If we to hold our friendship close, so my dear children, so now it is for us that if we are very close to each other, if we support each other, if we love each other at any time or anytime we give our helping hand to others, see, there is nothing. See, as I told you in the beginning, we will be a good person, we will be a successful one, and we will grow in our friendship. So, if we to hold our friendship close, victory will grace our fight. Victory will grace our fights. So, what will happen? Towards the end, if we are related in love, if you are related in love and friendship, nothing could destroy us or nothing could win against us because we don't give up. See, earlier we have studied, we don't give up in other this one classes. So we should not give up anything very easily. Rather, we should try our best to remain close to each other and to support each other. As this particular crab and the rock were inseparable from each other, and the wave of the ocean was unable to take them away. Similarly, my dear children, the joy and the happiness will come at the end if we are united, if we are related and we have good relationship with other students or with our parents, there will be joy towards the end. So victory will grace our fight Grace here it is the victory will bless our struggle. Grace bless it will we will be a successful one, we will achieve victory, we will win victory, we will win at the end. So nothing will be able to separate us from each other. So my dear children, see, very good story or very good poem it is. So victory in friendship, in anything whatever we do, or let us take for study matter or other things, or our social life also we can see in our society, where once we are related, we have good relationship with other, the family life will be a good one, people will enjoy. Similarly, in the school also, when we have good relationship, we can share our notes, our study materials to others, and then in this way we can be a good and successful person. So my dear children, the remaining exercises we will take, and then again I will explain to this poem in my next class. So now I end my class here. Thank you very much to everyone.